DaVinci Hand-Split Shake Siding Clearances. DaVinci requires a minimum clearance of 6 inches above finished grade, also referred to local building codes. A minimum 1/4 inch clearance must be present between shakes and decking, wood or concrete masonry walks, steps, stoops, or porches. Flashing and counter-flashing must be present in accordance with the roofing manufacturer's requirements and local code. A kick-out flashing must be present at roof-to-wall intersections to direct roof water away from the wall. Do not install gutter ends in contact with shakes. A minimum clearance of 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch must exist above all horizontal flashings. Visit our installation video library for product and condition-specific installation guidelines.